Hi everyone, it's Gail, and it is July 30th, if you can believe that. Yes, hashtag jelly postcard play by the challenge by Ceri the Crafter. So let's jump into this one. Here's our little jelly print. We're going to use this side of the postcard. Since it's got a lot of writing on it, it's not too good for a journal card as far as writing on that side. So we'll just do this there. Okay, then we're going to use this little ticket for the number 30. And I'm going to put that like right about there, I think. And then I've got this little chipboard piece, so I think we better do art glitter glue on it. Okay, I'm going to put that right about here, like so. And I have a little flower here that we're going to put just as another little bit. I think I might just go right there with that. Okay, there it is, July 30th. Tomorrow, last day of July, so it'll be a little longer video because we'll flip through what we've done the month of July. So thank you so much for watching. Have a grateful day. Be kind always. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.